Ways to determine infringement. A pencil, made out of black lead and wood, is the most basic form of a writing utensil. In 1765, the French chemist and painter Jacques Conté invented a way to make pencil lead, and thanks to him, we can use the pencils we have today. In the early stages, the pencil had a cylindrical body. However, the cylindrical pencil would roll off the desk easily and cause the pencil lead to break frequently. Germany's Faber-Castell cut the pencil's body and invented a hexagonal pencil so that it wouldn't roll off the desk so easily. With the advancement of technology, diverse shapes of angled pencils appeared on the market. Now, the question is, have these octagonal and triangular pencils committed infringement? The answer? Yes, in essence, they have. But in actuality, because these pencils all have different shapes, according to the all elements rule, this can't be viewed as an infringement. The all elements rule is a principle which states that infringement is established only when all elements of a claim are present in the alleged device. However, when the doctrine of equivalence is applied, the verdict changes. Though the number of angles is different, because the purpose and function of keeping the pencil from rolling off easily are the same, and because new functions have not been added, it is viewed as an equivalent invention and considered as infringement. Then, how can the possibility of infringement be determined when the elements are different? In 1950 in the US, an engineering company called Linde Air Products and a steel storage tank manufacturing company called Graver Tank and Manufacturing were in a lawsuit because of a solvent composition patent that is used in electronic welding. The plaintiff, Linde Air Products, was using calcium and magnesium silicate in their products, while the defendant, Graver Tank, was using manganese silicate. Based on the all elements rule, the respective products of the two companies didn't infringe each other's patent. On paper, the solvent compositions they each used were clearly different. However, experts revealed that magnesium and manganese were interchangeable substitutes for each other when making the solvent composition. When they were interchanged, they underwent the same process and produced the same results. As such, the rule that regards two inventions to be the same if they produce the same results through the same functions and methods, even though the elements of the inventions are not exactly the same on paper, is called the doctrine of equivalence. The U.S. Supreme Court applied the doctrine of equivalence and acknowledged that Graver Tank committed patent infringement. Linde Air Products won the lawsuit. Numerous companies are undergoing patent disputes. The court judges if an infringement was made based on the interpretation standards of the patent protection. If an infringement is suspected to have taken place, then companies can claim the invalidity of the patent through a lawsuit and announce the infringement in advance to gain advantage in negotiations. The reason there are various methods in determining an infringement is to ensure that individuals or companies that have patent rights do not suffer damage due to unfair results. Through the many legal devices that protect company patent rights, companies can increase competitiveness in a more stable way.